I've been grinding all week, can't take no days off. I've been grinding all week, can't take no days off. My family need me.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Leia. I feel like I never introduced myself as Malaya, but that's my name. Usually I just say my nickname, but anyways, if you can't tell by the title, I'm doing my take on these Buldak noodles, and I guess I kind of do it differently than everyone else. I never seen anybody do it the way I do it, so stay tuned for that. And I also want to start off with saying thank you for watching, and if you can or been watching me since the beginning of my old videos, I want to say thank you for that. And then also, like, if you just started watching me, I also do want to say thank you for even clicking on the video, but I do appreciate that. So anyways, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Alright you guys, so the water has came to a boil, and I'm trying to add the seasoning packets inside of there. I always have a hard time opening them, so I use scissors. Sorry y'all can't see me, I'm right here. Okay, this one always gives me trouble. Alright, and then this one's the cheese powder or whatever. I figure some people have never tried this before, and it's not supposed to have that much water in it, but that's how I like it, with a like kind of stew typey, because it is pretty hot without a lot of water inside of there. So then again, with it being a lot of water inside of there, it is taking away some of the flavor or like seasoning, so it's like diluted or whatever. So that's where the Buldak sauce comes in. And yes, it is the sauce that I've used in my other video, my seafood video, because it's leftover and I froze it. So anyways, now I'm going to add my noodles. Bring this down a little bit. Okay, this is my Buldak sauce right here. I'm going to just take a little bit. Maybe a little bit more. Alright, that should be good. Now while this is like coming down or whatever it's doing cooking, I'm going to add in 1 egg. So now while this is all cooking down, I'm focusing my attention all on the egg and it getting done. So I'm going to scoot it a little bit to where the fire is more so on the egg. And I'm just going to pour the soup over it. Break up the noodles, you know, just to where it all can cook. And this is a perfect sized pan. It is really old, but it's still perfect for these noodles. Alright, so now that my noodles look a little al dente, I'm going to cut up. Yeah. I'm gonna scissor in some green onions. The egg is, oh, y'all can't even see the egg anymore. The egg's right here. Sorry, let me point better, right here. So I like to keep it yolky, and I'm just going to be mindful of that and try not to break it whenever I do stir it up. Oh, I need to turn it down a little bit more so that the cheese can melt whenever I do have the chance. So I'm not gonna use all the green onion because it gets wilted or like whatever. I don't like that. Actually, just do a little bit more. I don't like being wasteful, so yeah. Now I'm just gonna push that down a little bit so they could just cook for a little bit. I don't like them cooking too much. Okay, so now it's almost done, and I'm going to add a whole bunch of cheese on top. I shredded this cheese myself instead of just buying the pre-shredded cheese. I guess it was a little cheaper for me. I have the fire on low. All right, that should be good. Okay, so this is how it's looking. The egg is right here. Look at all them juices. And then I'm trying it with this kimchi. I had already made this yesterday, and I actually like this kimchi over all the other ones that I've had. Sorry my head is a little cut off, but yeah. I couldn't make it work, so y'all gotta try this. I'm wearing a white shirt. Terrible. It's gonna get all messed up. If y'all seen this shirt in the other video, yes you did. Yes it is. So I'm taking some out because usually whenever I do eat the kimchi, it like, and if I eat it out of the thing, they get soft faster. Okay, let's take a first bite. Ooh, look at them noodles, y'all. Okay. Oh, Lord. Oh, it got my throat. Hold on. That was so good, but it hurted so bad. Yeah. So we gonna try that again. I'm gonna cool it off. I'm gonna cool it off a little bit more. There you go. Yeah, I've been coughing bad since yesterday, so it's not the food. Actually, it's the sauce, the seafood sauce. It always I'm gonna try to make a soup with this one day. these off because I can't. Y'all don't mind my lashes. I put strips on today. Green onion. Onion is my favorite. Let's try this egg. This egg tastes so good with both of the sauces. Ooh, look at the yolk. Oh, y'all didn't see that. Oh man, I'm sorry y'all. I love the yolky part with the noodles. Sometimes the egg gets cooked all the way, sometimes it doesn't. I don't care which way, as long as there's a little bit of yolk for at least one bite. Let me turn this spoon around so y'all can see that. Ooh, yummy bite. That was a little messy. Excuse me. My lip gloss is coming all off. I need to learn how to eat with like lip gloss and stuff on. I gotta eat this crunchy stuff while I can, because next week I'm getting my braces tightened, so we gotta eat as much as we can. And then it's baby food for about 2, maybe 1 or 2 weeks, but I wasn't really on that with these. I barely even would chew these noodles. I'm getting full already. I'm gonna finish this though. I don't like wasting food. All right, y'all. I'm gonna end it right off right here, just so I could really get into it and y'all not see me unleash the beast on these noodles. So thank you for watching, and if you made it this far, please try out my noodles and let me know if you like it. Should I say it's mine? I'm gonna say it's mine, my creation or whatever. I'm drinking it with this. This is so bomb. If you know, you know. But the cheese will get all, if you have braces, excuse me, if you have braces, the cheese will get all inside of your braces, and the noodles as well, if you don't know already. Now you do. Be prepared for a show after. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna finish my pan. Since it's not a plate or a bowl, I'm gonna finish my pan. Yes, I eat out the pan. Bye, thank you for watching.
Come on now, Tori, son.